Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone in a tablet, Lenovo Tab M8. For this we need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure. We need a rectangular brush like this, with flexible but not too hard bristles, so the bristles should be soft or medium hard. Otherwise you'll scratch the surfaces, the device. You can buy such a set yourself, on Allegro or Amazon, if you don't have one. Or just use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft, medium or hard, because otherwise you'll scratch the device. The device must be turned off. We never clean the device while it's turned on. So first, always press and hold the power button. Wait until the shutdown option appears, and then turn it off, and simply select the turn off option. Only when the device is completely turned off can we clean it. Dampen the toothbrush thoroughly with alcohol, preferably isopropyl alcohol. Take the device in your hand. Here we have the microphone opening. We need to clean this opening, so make 10 to 15 strokes in one direction with the toothbrush. Then do the same in the other direction, 10 to 15 strokes. Then towards the screen, also about 10 strokes. And then towards the flap, again about 10 to 15 strokes. If the microphone is very dirty, it's good to repeat this process 2 to 3 times in each direction, just to thoroughly clean the microphone opening and thus the microphone itself. After the procedure, set the device aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the isopropyl alcohol to evaporate. Only after this time is it best to turn on the device, and then you can use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And see you in my next video.